All right. Let's go see the tree hole, okay? I'll go with you. Let's take the marshmallow. So this is a tree just like at our house, except it fell down. It got tired and it had to go to sleep. So these are the roots. It's okay. It's okay. It's just sleeping. It would lay down to go to sleep just like you do. Come on. Big hole. Come on. Let's go see the hole. Edison. Come on. Hey. Come see the big hole.